But then the question comes up, why they are doing this to the Shias? Do they deserve to be killed? Do not they believe in La ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika la? We recite that in our Adhan, we recite that in our Tashahud. Do not they believe in Muhammadun Rasulullah? Do not they believe in Quran to be the Kalamullah? Yes, there is a propaganda, Shias have a different Quran. And if anyone ever asks you about it, just say to them, go to any Shia center or masjid, unannounced, without seeking appointment. Just go and pick 2 or 3 Qurans in the shelf that they keep. You will see many of them are printed in Pakistan from Sunni presses. Many of them are from Saudi Arabia. This is the most ridiculous argument or accusation they have against the Shias, that we have a different Quran. No, we believe in Quran as Kalamullah. Do not we believe in the arkan of Islam? We are gathered here to do salat. In the month of Ramadan, if you hear about the Shias, at least you know one thing, that they have a controversy about the moon. So they know they fast. Otherwise they wouldn't be worried about this issue, whether the moon was sighted or not. When you talk about Hajj, you will see Shias in very, very big numbers in Mecca. When it comes to the issue of zakat and khums and charity, of course, we are also there on the field. And so what is the issue? If you want to really hear what is the aqidah of the Shias, and you don't want to hear from the books or the ulama, you have killed so many Shias, at least go and participate in one of their funerals and listen to the talqeen. The talqeen which is recited to the deceased before he is buried, there you will get the summary of the beliefs of the Shias. And there the questions are very clearly. When the angels come and ask you, Man Rabbuka, who is your Lord? Your answer should be, Allah Jalla Jalali Rabbi. Who is your Rasul? It is Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. What is your kitab? It is Quran. What is your Kaaba? Your Qibla, it's Kaaba. So all these issues are there. If you don't believe in what we are saying, at least you should believe in the last rites of a person whom you killed. Go and listen to the talqeen which is being recited there. Sometimes we hear this, well, the blame goes to the Shias themselves because of the present day tabarra recited by some of the orators. And this is a very simplistic way of looking at this conflict in Pakistan. Yes, I do not deny that has contributed, but in a very minor manner. The fire had been lit by the Wahabi extremists long time ago. These tabarra of the present days, we don't agree with that. But that is not the cause. Otherwise, how do you explain? In 1963, 6th June, 1963, the day of Ashura, in Pakistan, in a city known as Khairpur, where the Shias had gathered in the Imambara for the Azan of Sayyid al-Shuhada on that day. They closed the door from outside, locked it, and put the whole Imambara on fire. And, about 118 Shias in 1963 died because of that fire, lit by the Wahabi, Deobandi extremists. It has nothing to do with the present day tabarra. Yes, this is a very minor part of it, but the problem goes back to these extremist views. We don't have problems even with Wahhabis, but those Wahhabis who believe in taking issues in their own hand to express their beliefs in a violent manner, those we definitely condemn and we are against them. Some of the mu'mineen, when you look at the situation in Pakistan, According to even the report from Asian Human Rights Commission, these Wahabi militants, now they are being backed by intelligence agencies and law enforcement agencies of Pakistan. The government itself is very weak. And that is where the issue is, to really make it realize that this is only not them. Today it's Shias, tomorrow it will be the Sufis and other Sunnis who don't agree with the Wahhabi mentality.